Hey guys, Happy New Year and welcome to Tuesday Talks with the Green Bay Doulas. I'm Emily Jacobson. So, this week I want to talk about something that happens to all of us, but nobody talks about, and that is the first night home after you have had a baby. I think a lot of people have kind of a shock and awe that the nursing staff's not there to help you anymore. You're pretty sleep deprived because we all know we don't sleep as good as we do when we're in our own beds, even on vacation, and the hospitals are no different. You're not getting a lot of quality sleep in that sense. And so everything kind of culminates, and this new little human being is like, oh my gosh, I'm on the outside now. What are all these sounds? What are all these noises? And I don't think people are ever really prepared for that first night home. So I want to give you guys some tips and tricks on how to survive that first night at home. So, one thing we want you to know is take it with grace, because it is not just this perfect, we're going to put baby down and go to sleep and we'll see you in the morning. Babies are eating every hour and a half to 2 hours throughout the night, so that's a lot of broken sleep for mom, who's already pretty sleep deprived and recovering from childbirth in general. Babies who are newborns, especially, tend to be really loud and grunty and make all these noises. And as a new parent, even if you have other children, it doesn't matter. Every single one of those noises kind of wakes you up, sends adrenaline through your body, and you're like, oh, they're just making noises and I can go back to sleep. Oh, no, I can't. Something to remember is, yeah, newborns are very grunty and loud, and they make lots of noises, and their favorite place to be is right here, because that's what they're used to. They're used to your heartbeat, they're used to your breath, they're used to your voice, and obviously you want to do that safely. So something that we say that you can do is, if you are worried that you might fall asleep while holding your baby, especially in an unsafe sleep environment like a couch or a chair. If you have a baby wrap like a Catan or a Moby or a ring sling or any of those contraptions, I feel like a soft structured carrier would probably be too uncomfortable. But any of those soft things, you can secure baby to you. So if you were to lose your hands, baby's still right here. And so that's one of our big things. We even have some moms utilize that in a hospital setting. Now, obviously, it's not ideal for all situations, but it is a tip that you could try that a lot of people don't think about. And just know that you will make it through. But the first night home is usually kind of a shocker at the adjustment phase. And so give yourself grace. Know that this won't last forever, but that you're taking care of yourself too. So those are kind of our tips for the first night home. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.